Alright guys, doing the random tonight for break 331. Let me switch this over here. It's break 331. Alright, we got our rival teams are set in pairs. Here are the guys in the break. Pop-ups. So we got Michael Singleton on the top, Tycho Falk on the bottom, Bills and Dolphins on the top, Seahawks and Cardinals on the bottom. We're going to roll the dice. Has to be 5 dice or greater. We got 12. Good luck, guys. Going 12 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last round. 12. We got Giants and Eagles on the top. Saints and Bucks on the bottom. We're going to go ahead and put that with our teams, or with our guys. Alright guys, good luck.